In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable and disable Customize Finder to get more optimized search results on your Samsung Galaxy S23. First, open the Settings app and scroll through your various settings and select General Management. Under General Management, scroll down and select Customization Service. A list of customized apps will appear. Simply look for Finder and you should see it has a toggle switch on the side. As you can see, mine is disabled, meaning that my search results aren't going to appear the best. So to enable it, simply tap on the toggle and now it's enabled. So when I go to search something, it will be easier to find the app or document or whatever it is you're looking for. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.